Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we going to the Windy City. That's right, Chi-Town. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a Chicago-style hot dog. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Not many ingredients, but it doesn't take much to make a Chicago-style hot dog. So back here we have our buns, and of course, Chicago-style hot dogs, buns have poppy seeds. There are not any stores where I am that sells hot dog buns with poppy seeds, so we're gonna put our own poppy seeds on our buns. Right here we have our hot dogs. These are all beef. That's how a Chicago style hot dog is. We're made with all beef hot dogs. We have our relish. Now of course they use that neon green relish that's really bright green. I don't have that where I'm at, so we can use regular relish right here. So don't get in my comment and tell me, oh, that ain't the right relish. Shut up. I told you, this is all I got. All right. So right here we got some yellow mustard. We have some pickle wedges here. And right here we have onion salt. Now typically they use celery salt, but I don't have any celery salt, so we're gonna use onion salt. Right here we have our black poppy seeds. I'm using some melted butter. We have our tomato wedges. So right here you can see what I did is I sliced a tomato, then we're gonna use the wedges. And right here we have some pickled peppers here. Now again, they use sport peppers. I don't have any sport peppers where I'm at, so I'm gonna use these pickled peppers here. They look pretty similar to this. It's gonna work, guys. I'm not saying it's authentic, but we're gonna get really close. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off by preparing our buns. I'm gonna take one bun. I'm gonna take some of the melted butter, and I'm just gonna brush the top of it like this. I'm gonna turn that baby over. I'm gonna brush the bottom like this also. And we're gonna do that for each bun. All right, now that we have all them brushed, what we're gonna do now, move that over a little bit. We'll take our poppy seeds and we're just gonna sprinkle them over the top like this. And now you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna flip them over. Do the same thing on that side, well on the bottom side. And now we're gonna place these babies seam side down. So the seam side is gonna be like this. And here's what makes these Chicago style hot dogs really good, is that you steam your buns. Make sure your buns are steamed. You want to steam your buns because you want them soft. You can use them straight out the pack, but I recommend you steam them. You'll see a big difference in it. So we're gonna go over here to our steamer and we're gonna get these babies on our steamer so we can let them steam for a couple of minutes, all right? All right, guys, so you know we're gonna use our Basting steamer. If you've seen one of my last videos with the steamed salmon, guys, this is a very good kitchen gadget that you wanna have. We're just gonna place our plate right here. I love this steam, I'm telling you, I love it. We're gonna go ahead and put our top on right here. I've already filled it up with water. It'll come down here, put that baby on steam, and we're gonna steam it for about 5 minutes. Hit start, and we're good to go. All right, guys, so we are done, and these are our buns. So let's head back over to our cutting board. All right, so now we're back over here to our cutting board. Guys, listen, you don't understand how much of a game changer this is if you steam your buns. Take a look at that. Look how, I can press down, look how soft that is. Man, look at that, soft. That is what you're looking for. That's one of the things that makes a Chicago style hot dog. You have to steam the bun. If you don't have a steamer, you know how to do it on your stove with some water in a pot, put a plate and all that good stuff. But man, you don't have to worry about that if you get this steamer. I'm gonna leave the link to the steamer in the video description below, all right? So let's head over to our stove so we can start cooking our hot dogs. All right, so now you see that our water is actually at a boil or coming to a boil. We're gonna go ahead and drop our hot dogs in here. And we're gonna let that boil for 5 minutes, all right? Now, sometimes what people do is they'll just let the water come to boil, and once it starts boiling, they'll shut the water off, they'll shut the heat off, and then just sit the hot dogs in there and just let them cook. I don't wanna do mine that way. I wanna make sure my meat is cooked, so I'm gonna let it stay in there for 5 minutes. All right, so we're 5 minutes in. We're gonna shut off our fire, start removing our hot dogs. And we're gonna go over here to our cutting board and we're gonna start building out our Chicago style hot dogs, all right? All right, to get started, we're gonna take one of our buns and one of our hot dogs. We're gonna drop it in here like that. And let's go ahead and get all our hot dogs in a bun real quick before we start adding all our condiments to it. Same with this one. Man, these buns are so soft. Listen. All right, just like that. And let's move all this other stuff out the way. We're gonna start off by adding our mustard. And actually you can build them out the way you want to. It's totally up to you. Add our onions on here like that. And how much mustard, how much onions, or how much any of these condiments is totally up to you guys. Now we're gonna add our tomatoes. What side you add these on, I guess it's totally up to you. I'm sure some Chicagoans are gonna come after me and say, oh, you're supposed to add it to the right side, the lettuce to the tomato to the right side, and the pickle to the left side. Shut up. What difference does it make what side is on? Then we're gonna add that pickle to the other side. Yes, guys, this is a hearty meal. Next, we're gonna come behind that with our relish. Add our peppers here. And we're gonna sprinkle it with a little of that onion salt because I don't have any celery salt. Guys, and there you have it, Chicago style hot dog. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control because I'm ready to give it a taste test, all right? Let's go. All right, we back in here, quality control. Man, listen, these babies looking good right here, man. Take a look at that. Oh, man. I don't even know which one to choose, man. They look so good. But we're going to choose this one right here. Oh, boy. Sit that over there. Let's bring this back up. Guys, look at that. Chicago style. Let's go ahead and take a bite of it. Man, this baby is fire. I had one of the little pepper off there. I don't want to fall down. Oh man. So listen, definitely give this a try, and I'm gonna warn you, don't you ever put ketchup on a Chicago style hot dog. That's the ultimate sin. You're gonna go down below if you put ketchup, if you get caught putting ketchup on a Chicago style hot dog. Yes, I know it's not authentic, and I know everybody from Chicago gonna get in the comments and say, oh, you didn't use the right type of bun. Oh, you didn't use the right type of hot dog. Shut up. It's Chicago style. I don't know why y'all get so sensitive about y'all food, especially when people from Philadelphia. You do anything Philly cheesesteak, they critique everything you do. Man, it's just food. Don't be so sensitive about it. We ain't trying to offend you. We just trying to eat good. So, until then, y'all already know who I am. All means everything. And remember, him not a chef. He just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.